What's up, you guys? This is your homeboy Josh, and for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a scene change or a transition in Scratch. So basically, I have prepared all of my resources here. So what you need to do is need to have two backdrops, as you can see. Let me delete this one. So I have two backdrops. We have this desert and form. Now, for your sprites, you need to have the sprite that's gonna be moving and a transition scene, which is the bus. So the code, I suggest you begin with the second sprite, the transition screen. So this is the exact code for the sprite. So you want it to be in the center, which explains the zero numbers here, and then you want to get the ghost effect 100, then front layer show. Repeat 25 times ghost effect by -4. Also, you need to broadcast two messages. So you're going to create a fade in and fade out broadcast. And for the fade out, it's just going to be very simple. It's going to be repeat 25 and then change ghost effect by +4. Now let's move on to the sprite that's going to be moving. So for the sprite, you need to have this. When the green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to desert. Just say a custom message for 2 seconds, then broadcast fade in, wait 2 seconds, switch backdrop to the next backdrop that you want, and then broadcast fade out, and then say a message or whatever for 2 seconds, and this is the result. So when you press the green flag, it's gonna do the transition screen, then that's it. So that's how you create a transition here in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe because we are making a lot of more videos that are coming your way that will absolutely help your Scratch project to be better in every way. This is your boy Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.